Here's a simple, real-world example of how Unity saved Alex more than $23,000. Meet Alex. Alex is not a Unity tax partner. Currently, he pays $1,000 per year for his tax software. This year, Alex files 300 bank product returns, 200 e-file-only returns. Alex thinks he's saving because his provider lets him e-file 200 returns for free. However, the real costs are hidden within the bank product returns. Typical provider charges: bank fee, $44.95. Technology fee, $32.95. $77.90 per return. $77.90 times 300 equals $23,370. $1,000 software equals $24,370 total. Now, Unity keeps it simple. $20 flat per accepted return. That includes everything Alex needs for tax season: software, e-filing, bank products, support, and more. 500 returns times $20 equals $10,000. Typical provider, $24,370. Unity, $10,000. That's $14,370 Alex keeps in his pocket. Real profit. Other providers add more. $14 per state return. $4 to $5 per e-signature. Those extra costs can push the total to $31,070. Unity still stays at $10,000. Keep more of what you earn. Unity Tax Partners. $20 flat per accepted return. Everything included. No surprises. Still not sure? Go to unitytaxpartners.com today and use our calculator tool to see how much you can save. Switch today at unitytaxpartners.com.